What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a beautiful 2016 F10 M5. It's got the facelift, and our good friend TC here came all the way from Tennessee and brought it all the way up here. 9.5 hours?
About 9.5, 10 hours.
9.5, 10 hours to come to our HQ to have the best exhaust system in the world put on the car. So if you come around back, we'll show you guys what we got going on. This car has stock downpipes, so it still has the factory cats. And TC over here decided to opt with the carbon fiber 3.5-inch outlet exhaust tips, which look absolutely spectacular. And as you can see, the Tennessee plate there. So they have a long drive home, but we're very thankful that they came out here. So we're gonna do a little sound test with TC in the car. We're gonna get his initial reactions. So throughout this video, we're gonna do all of the sound characteristics, and we're gonna even have him in the car to get his initial reactions to the exhaust system. So we're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and you're gonna have the pleasure of sitting with me and TC and Cody in the car. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. If you guys are looking to get this exhaust system for your car, go to valvetronic.com. You can use our live chat bot or use the number and call in. But yeah, I'm tired of waiting. You ready for the sound?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, let's do it. Alrighty folks, we are inside. We got TC here as well. We're gonna do a little interior drive now, and we're gonna get Mr. TC's initial reactions, and this will be similar to when you guys order your F10 exhaust, how it's gonna feel. So immediately, do you hear any like difference at low speeds already?
It's a lot louder than it was before, because
yeah,
on the outside it's very, you can hear it stock, yeah, but on the inside you can't hear anything. Yeah, these M5s with these big like luxury sedans, it's very hard to hear sometimes, but yeah, this being a 2016, I mean, this is the ultimate spec, to be honest. You know what I mean? Yeah. And how long did you say you've had it? About 7 months. It's been in and out of shops its whole life that I've used.
Yeah, we don't like that. Yeah, a lot more drama inside. What do you think?
Oh yeah, a lot nicer.
And like, for the people watching, this is only like, I have only went to 4,000 RPM, you know what I mean? So, now that we've got some oil temperature. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Has every spec though, because like even all the drive assist stuff.
Yeah, it's missing one option. That's it. Yeah. That, and also the fact that it's not a manual, but
they were so hard to find.
Yeah, I think there was only like 300.
Yeah. Yeah, those shifts are brutal.
So how did you end up finding Valvetronic then, I guess, when you were looking for exhausts?
Really just through, you know, Instagram videos, TikTok videos, and stuff like that.
Lovely. Sounds like I'm doing my job right then.
Yeah, I was going to get a exhaust for my previous car, but you guys never made one for it, and then got into an accident with that car and got this, and I'm like, you know what? It's time. I'm just gonna bite the bullet.
So what was the old car then?
A 05 Z4.
05 Z4, very nice. Yeah. For the folks watching, so if we don't make a spec ops system for your car, the universal muffler would have been pretty cool on that Z4. I had a 330 E46 beforehand, and that one I ended up using our universal muffler on it. It was really, really cool.
Actually, does this have a sunroof?
It does.
It does. We'll pop that. Here, you know what we'll do? Actually, before you do that, just pop it.
I did not know you could do that.
I'm teaching Mr. DC here about his own car, yo. Yeah, you could do that, so you just get exhaust noise.
Crap.
Which is pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I did not know that.
I feel what you're talking about how it's touchy. Yeah. Definitely fast.
Yeah.
Wow.
It just wants to go.
Yeah. So you're used to it. How's passenger feel?
Very weird.
Yeah. I would assume so.
We'll see how she sounds at 5,000. You know what's cool too? I love about these F10s is the when you let off, it goes the brrrr, you know what I mean? That's the cool part. Let's see if we can get it to do it.
Shifting back so far.
Yeah, I mean, you just boom, you almost went through the windshield.
It probably feels a little faster from the passenger side now.
Yeah, it's just very awkward because the car's very oriented towards like the driver with all the controls and stuff.
Yeah.
And I never noticed that driving it, but now that I've noticed it, it's like very weird.
Yeah,
the car just feels so weird over here.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel right, but
yeah,
it's nice not driving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, an M5 is the ultimate car to get driven around in. You know what I mean? It just wants to go.
Yeah. I mean, it's surprising. It launches good for a rear-wheel drive car.
Yeah. It grips up.
Yeah.
Especially on like some winter tires as well, because I looked and they look pretty winter tirey.
Yeah, and traction control is not on right now, so.
Yeah, true. I saw that.
Yeah,
I was expecting some tire spin, but
well, it just weighs so much.
True.
So it's just